Stop paying for ChatGPT and Claude when Google is giving AI free forever. Google just launched Gemma 4, the most powerful open source AI model out there on the internet. And the best part, you can run it locally inside your computer or your mobile phone without any internet connection and without paying anything to any company out there. And the best part, it automatically detects your hardware and install Gamma according to that. In this video, I am going to show you how you can build websites, apps and animations using Gemma 4. Not only that, I will compare all of them, and if you stick till the end, I will also show you how you can use this Gemma 4 inside your Claude Code codex for absolutely free. You don't have to pay. So let's get started. And here you can see Gemma landing page, and as it's saying, with our most intelligent open source model, and it is so intelligent. You will be surprised by the result I will show you with the comparison of ChatGPT and Claude. And as you can see, it is compatible with mobile and all others, and you can read if you want. I will put a link in the description if you want to go through that. But how to run this locally? So we are going to use Olama. Just go and download the Olama for your operating system from their website, and once it is installed, it will look like this. Let me show you. Once you open it, it will look like this. So you can select the Gamma version which you want from here, and when you send the message, it will automatically download the model for you. And let me tell you which model you should install. So here are the models, like it is the smallest model and this one is largest model. Now if you do not have a sufficient laptop which is like very old, you can go with this one or even this one. But if you have like a good laptop, you can go with this particular one. And if you have like a bit good, you can go with this or even this, right? This one is for cloud. I think this is not meant to run on your local hardware. So I highly recommend if your laptop is this and go with this, and if your laptop can handle, you can go with this. And the best part, when you run this particular command inside your terminal, it will automatically install the model which is best fit for your hardware. So just go and run this particular command and it will install it for you. And if you want to do it through GUI or using the Gamma app, you can come here. You can come here on Gamma app and search for Gamma models. And as you can see, all the models are available there. And you can download any of them, like 12 billion, 4 billion, 1 billion and 27 billion. I hope you got it, how to install it and how to set up it out. Once it is set up, you can select that particular model and start chatting with it. Now it is time to compete with ChatGPT and Claude using Gamma. So for the first round, I am going to ask similar question to ChatGPT and our Gamma, and let's see who responded well. So I am going to ask ChatGPT to create a landing page for a product company which help organizations to set up agents in their system. And I will ask the same question to Gemma 4, and let's see who respond well. So let me hit enter and wait for some time, and I will show you result. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT has given us response, and I will hit the preview. It is like the entire file, and we can preview it here. We will see how it look like. Okay, this is what ChatGPT has built, and I really don't like this one. Because there are a lot of things is not proper, like book demo, and I have like ChatGPT subscription even, and they have given this particular result, very basic result. I already have given the prompt. As you can see, create a landing page where AI company organization to build and set up their agent. Similar thing, but I just added one line that make sure the entire code in one file, because in Olama I can't run directly like I can run in ChatGPT. So I will copy this particular code and run it through a compiler. Let's search for online compiler. As you can see, htmlonline.viewer.net, and I will paste this code, and as you can see this one. And to be honest, let me preview in this full page, and this is what Gemma 4 built it, and this is so good. Let's compare it with this one. Can you see? This one is built by Gemma 4. I don't know why I am paying to ChatGPT when Gemma can build these type of things, and ChatGPT really like this. Crazy. Let's move on to the second test. Okay, so ChatGPT is already beaten, so this time we are going to use Claude, and I am asking Claude to create an animation of walking clock using HTML CSS, and let me hit enter and let's see the result from it. And I am going to give the same prompt to Gemma 4, and let's see what are the difference between results. So let's wait for the things completing, and I will see you at the end result. Okay, so Claude is completed the work, and if we open this particular thing in browser, this is the code it given us. So let me open this particular in browser, and this is something it look like. It added like Claude logo here, and it is showing the time here, Sunday and all other things, and it looked good. To be honest, like this thing is a bit missing, like it should be here. So it is not proper. I think it should be like the red line should be here attached to this center point, but everything else look very decent, right? I really like it, to be honest. And let's see the result from Gamma. So let me open that. Okay, I asked the similar question to Gamma that create animation cloud working using HTML CSN. I will copy this particular code which is given by Gamma, and I will run it through online compiler as I did before. This is the last result. I will say Control A, Control V, and this is what it look like. It is a bit simple, to be honest. Let me preview it in the full page. This is how it look like. It is bit of simple, and it is, I don't think so it is like sim to right time, but as you can see all the arrows are centered. Still it did great job, but I really like this one, to be honest, because this one have a lot more features. But yeah, for a free AI tool comparing to the world best AI tool where you have to pay $20 to $200 per month and using it for free, absolutely I am happy with this result because I can always iterate and say at these numbers. So you can decide who is winner. Okay, so that was the comparison. I hope you got the idea that how much good Gemma 4 is. Especially I really like the output from the landing page. It is absolutely beat the ChatGPT in that particular challenge, and it is also did great job considering it is absolutely free, running locally without any internet and a lot more things. I think it did great job. But as promised, now I am going to show you how you can use Gamma 4 to run Claude Code or Codex for absolutely free. So as you can see here in the application top is Claude Code. So you can use this particular command inside your terminal and it will automatically start running Claude Code with the Gemma 4. Let me show you how, and you can do the same thing. Open Code and all other things. But let me show you for the Claude Code. I will just paste this particular command here, and because I already have Gamma 4 installed, it will not install, but in case if you do not have installed, it will install and launch the Claude Code for you. And as you can see, it is start launching Claude Code with Gamma 4, and it is asking me to trust this folder. I will trust, and as you can see, Gamma 4, this is now powered by Gamma 4. You can use it absolutely free because you already have installed Gamma 4 models. It will work on the Gamma 4. Now, before leaving this video, I want to tell you few downside of using Gamma 4, which no one is telling on the internet. Everyone is showing the good side. I want to tell you the bit of the downside also. It is slow. If your system is not good, it is absolutely slow. There is no comparison of online model when it comes to the speed. Of course, if your system is good, it will be faster, but it really depends on the system. So whenever you are using, make sure you consider that as a factor. The second thing is your intelligence of model matter a lot, which model you have installed. Yes, for example, if you have installed the like 2 billion parameter, the model will be not that much smart. Of course, your laptop or your system can only handle 2 billion, and that's why you install that particular model. But consider that these models are performing good when they have high parameter, like 16 billion will perform better than 4 billion, and 32 billion perform way better than 16 billion, because these parameters is what giving models intelligence. So make sure you consider that also a factor. And that has been said, even if you have good enough configurations, you can use Gamma 4, and also you can use inside the mobile phone using Edge Gallery. You can install it from the Play Store, then you have to download the model and you can use like we are using here. My goal here is to give you the transparent view on what things are going, not just going with the hype that Gamma 4 is the world best AI tool. You should only use this and cancel all the subscription. No, if you have good enough system configuration, yes, you can use it for a lot of work. But if you don't have good configuration, you still have to rely on the things because they are running on the cloud, not on your system. And if you get some value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I will see you in the next crazy AI video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the world. Bye bye.